everybody, I'm Shabita Kotak. I'm a health and wellbeing coach and I help people create a healthier, happier life physically, mentally and spiritually. Now today we're going to work on our body, we're going to work on our lower body. We're going to work our glute muscles, our quad muscles, our hamstring muscles with some movements that work lots of these muscle groups at the same time. So let's do it together. We're going to do a squat using a chair. The reason I use the chair, any chair will do, it helps you go deeper. So you want to go as deep as the chair. So adjust your feet, put a chair out, and then you just tap the chair down. You want to make sure your knees don't go over your toes and you go as low as the chair. Now, if you don't want to use that chair, you don't have to. It's just a guide as to let you know how deep you're going, okay? So let's do 10, 9, 8, keep your chest up, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can rest if you want or do another 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Now we're going to go into a lunge. And then we're going to bring our right leg forward, our left leg back. And we're going to come down and up. Down and up. 10. Keep your torso nice and straight. 9, 8. Exhale as you come down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to swap legs. So you're going to bring your opposite leg back. And you don't again want your knee to go over your toes. Make sure you've got a nice wide stance. And let's go. 10. Torso nice and straight. And 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful. Now we're going to turn around and we're going to lie on the floor. Now I'm going to show you two options here. You're going to have your hands beside the hips and then we're going to roll up, pushing from the heels, pushing your glutes up. And we're going to do 10, 9, exhale as you come up, 7, 6, squeezing up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I'll show you the advanced level. So if you want to make it a bit more difficult for yourselves, you bring your feet on a chair. Make sure your knees are underneath your hips. And then we're going to roll up and down. This is working your hamstrings. Up and down. Up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then hold it there. Little pulses for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then gently roll down. Hug your knees in. Breathing in. Breathing out. Wonderful. So that was one round. So we did our squats using the chair or not using the chair. We did our lunges. And then we did the bridges on the floor or using the chair. So that's one round. And usually how I do it is I just put my mat out in the lounge and then in between the TV ads I do a little sit. So anyway, if you like this, press the like button. If you've got any comments, please put them down and press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.